have been working so hard to get your 4,000 watch hours. I have a 2 secret thing I'm going to share with you today that will make you get your 4,000 watch hours so fast without live streaming, like without going live stream, guys. And these 2 secret things, all you have to do is just to watch this video today. Don't skip any information, because every information I'm going to share here is very, very important to all creators. I've used this method to monetize my second channel, and I believe that when you apply this same method on your channel, you are also going to get your 4,000 watch hours so fast and monetize your channel so fast. Now, the number 1 strategy is what I call relating your video. Yes, have you heard about relating your videos? I'm going to share with you guys how to relate your videos to your like your short videos to your long form videos. People that are watching your short videos are going to click on your long form videos and start watching it. Like I said, I have 2 strategies, so all you have to do is to watch this video till the end. If you apply these 2 strategies, believe me, you are going to get your 4,000 watch hours as soon and as fast as possible. So how to relate your video? If you don't know how to relate your video, this is how to relate your video. Let me just display it on the screen. How to relate your video, you're going to go over to YouTube Studio. This is a video that you have just finished posting. You have to relate your short form video to your long form video. Now you have to go to YouTube Studio. Then you're going to, you see this video, I posted it 4 hours ago. Now what I will do is, because this video I've not related it to my long form video, now I'm going to click on this pencil icon here, and then I'm going to see related video. Now when you click on related video, then search the video that is not performing well. For instance, you see this video, I posted it yesterday and I think it's not performing well. So what I will do is I'm going to click and relate it to this video, and then click on save. Do you know what this thing that I did now does? Now if this video, people watch this video, they'll probably click and watch, that's my related video. They'll probably click and watch this video. Okay, now if this short video start going viral, there is possibility that this video is also going to go viral. You understand? Now let me show you guys another video that is doing well because I related it. Another video that is doing well because I related it to my long form video. Now this short video here, this short video here, this one that I have 7.2 million views, 7.4 million views. You can see, guys, I related it to one of my video. I related it to one of my video, My Tailor Wanted Me, and this My Tailor Wanted Me was stuck in just 12 views. Now this Tailor Wanted Me, now I just related it few days ago, and I have almost going to 500 views on that video. Imagine that I did not relate this video. You see, people cannot click and watch it. That is very simple, right? Anytime you upload your videos on shorts, yes, make sure you relate it to your long form video that is not doing well. I have a video that was stuck at 26 views on my long form video. Then I posted a short video and the short video started picking. I took the advantage of relating it to my long form video, and today this video has hit 1,000 views, and this 1,000 views I'm telling you about is making me $5 for 1,000 views. That sounds strange, right? So this particular relating of a video has helped my channel to get monetized so fast, because each time I post on my shorts video and notice that it is skyrocketing, I always relate it to my long form video that is not doing well, and it has helped me a lot. For people have been able to watch my long form video. Now that I'm monetized on my second channel, even this channel, it helps me a lot in making people to see my video that are not performing well. Now the second secret strategy that you can use to get your 4,000 watch hour is called stealing. I'm going to explain this phrase later in this video. Just watch till the end. If you have not subscribed to my channel and you find this information very useful, why not hit on subscribe button and then subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell, so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you will be the first person to get notified. Now, I said stealing. Yes, this has been a strategy I have discovered since a year ago. before I start building my YouTube channel. And this strategy stealing has helped me to monetize this channel you guys are seeing me right now and my second channel. What do I mean by stealing? Stealing means let me say, for instance, I'm into entertainment niche. What do? I go and do research about entertainment, people that are doing entertainment videos. I watch their videos from beginning to the end and then use that mentality and recreate those videos and put, in fact, let me tell you guys something, but I'm sharing it to you guys for free. I am sharing it to you guys for free. Now go and search for the niche that you are into. If you are into teaching tutorials how to grow YouTube channel, go and search for trending videos that people have already used, that trended, that went viral. Recreate it, put your own vibes, put meaningful something out there, and the same possibility that those videos went viral, yours is still gonna go viral. That is a sure assurance. I got this my video 4.3 million views. Do you know that it wasn't from my brain? I actually watched other people's video and I saw this particular video and I recreated it, so as many of my other videos that are doing absolutely well, because I saw other people's video in my niche and I recreated them. It gave me my 4,000 watch hours within 1 month. So all you need to do is find out your niche. If you are into cooking, if you are into hair tutorial, if you are into entertainment, if you are into any niche you are posting on your channel, try and watch what others are doing that make them to go viral. In fact, put almost the same topic. If I put the same topic, because there is possibility that if another person still create the same video that went viral, yours is gonna go viral. That is the two secrets that have helped me to grow my first channel and my second channel. In fact, they gave me my 4,000 watch hours without, let me just count live streaming out. Live streaming is not there. Live streaming is also important, but if you want to get your 4,000 watch hours so fast, use these two secret things. And don't forget, your channel customization is also important. Anytime you post your long form videos, go and make sure you put your end screen, go and make sure you put your cards. It helps YouTube to push out your videos to a lot of audiences. Make sure you do them. If you don't know how to put your end screen and your cards, maybe you have to drop a comment on this video so that I can do or make a video about it. All right, so I hope this video helped you that is watching me out there. Now, as you are watching me, I wish you guys all the best in your channel. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Go and apply these two things, and when you're applying it, make sure you do your channel customization. Make sure you don't always post immediately you upload your videos. Make sure all these things I'm saying now, you apply them to your channel.